Welcome to Brainfeed magazine. From this article, you will learn the answer to one of the biggest questions, i.e., why do insects circle the lights endlessly? Let's get started. You have witnessed moths and other flying insects drawn to street lamps, porch lights, and even flames. These creatures appear captivated by the light source. However, recent research suggests a different story. They might simply be losing their sense of direction. Insects naturally orient themselves by turning their backs towards light. But when the light comes from an artificial source, it throws their navigation system into disarray. This disorientation can lead them to fly in circles or dive erratically, potentially ending up on the ground. In an interesting study, the researchers used high-resolution motion capture in a lab setting and stereovideography in the field to reconstruct 3D movements of insects around artificial lights. This study provides the first clear explanation for why insects gather around lights at night, surprisingly through a rather simple mechanism. Insects rely on the natural light of the sky to maintain their orientation, keeping their bodies positioned with their backs toward the light source to stay level. This strategy works perfectly until artificial lights come into play. At a research station in Costa Rica, scientists set up various light configurations, including hanging and standing lights. High-speed infrared cameras were used to track wild flying insects, including moths and flies. The observations revealed some insects circling the lights endlessly, while others flew sharply upwards until they lost momentum and couldn't stay airborne. Interestingly, when the light source was pointed upwards, some insects even flipped over and flew towards the ground. Notably, throughout their flights, the insects consistently kept the lights positioned behind them, even if it meant CR. To further explore the effect, the team experimented with different lighting arrangements. When a skylight artificial light was placed opposite the ground, the insects flew normally. Interestingly, when the white sheet was suspended above the ground and bathed in diffuse light, resembling the night sky, the insects flew through the area without getting disoriented by the light. However, some exceptions were observed. Fruit flies, capable of navigating in darkness, weren't significantly affected by the light. Hence, further research is needed to understand the complete picture. One crucial area of investigation is whether insects at different latitudes are more or less susceptible to light pollution. Additionally, exploring ways to modify outdoor lights to make them less attractive to flying insects is crucial. By understanding why moths are drawn to lights, we can now design light fixtures that minimize their disorienting effects, ultimately protecting these vital members of the ecosystem. That brings us to the end of this article. Here you learned: insects are not attracted to light but become disoriented by artificial light sources, leading to erratic flight patterns and potential crashes. High-resolution motion capture and stereovideography were used to study 3D movements of insects around lights, revealing their disorientation. Modifications to outdoor lights can reduce their attractiveness to insects, helping protect these important ecosystem members. We hope you liked this story. Stay tuned to Brainfeed TV, our YouTube channel.